Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unlike someone on OkCupid app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. As you can see here, I'm in the Explore page right now. Here you can find the profiles of different people that you might be interested in. You can view their profile details. And if you don't want to match with this person and you want to unlike this person, you can simply swipe to the left. So that's how you can easily unlike anyone on OkCupid. But in order to match with someone, you need to like their profile. For that, you can simply swipe to the right. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.